Hi, I'm Bar.
And I'm Hannah.
In 2014, I ran a successful Kickstarter campaign for the Maslow CNC. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to our new project, Maslow. Maslow is a 4x8 foot CNC cutting machine designed to change the way we build everything, from art projects to houses. And it's cheap. You can get one now for under $500. Maslow can be put together in a weekend using only a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a handsaw. Maslow connects to your Mac, Windows, or Linux computer using a standard USB port. Building things digitally is the future, and we believe it should be for everyone. This is an important technology, and we're making the choice not to patent it. All of our designs, PCB layouts, firmware, and software are available for free right now on our website to anyone in the world. When you design something to print, whether it's a kayak, a tiny house, or a light aircraft, we encourage you to do the same and share your digital files so anyone can benefit.
Check out our videos and content below to learn how easy it is to assemble your kit and to find out how to turn your digital files into real-world objects.
And most importantly, build something amazing.
This is where Dobot M1 gets in. Dobot M1 is an industrial-level robotic arm production platform. It's precise, fast, and extendable, and also affordable. It can be your 3D printer, laser engraver, soldering machine, or whatever else you build upon it. Yes, you can build one. Dobot M1 has 0.02 millimeters repeatability and 1.5 kilogram payload. The maximum reach of Dobot M1 is 400 millimeters, which is enough for most of the situations. But why don't we think bigger, when it can actually go further? Or use a camera for visual. With its fast and accurate image recognizing algorithm, it can distinguish colors without making one mistake. Dobot M1 loves companions. They can work seamlessly together, processing paperwork way faster than humans could. Ultimately, Dobot M1 is built to replace manpower in production line, working day and night non-stop. With Dobot M1, it's no longer a giant business's privilege to use professional robotic arms. Everyone can now benefit from a cost-effective, user-friendly robotic arm technology. So when a new idea hits you, Dobot M1 will be ready.
Meet Kniterate, a desktop digital knitting machine. Now you can create your own garments and accessories, and you can share them online in a digital wardrobe. It's easy to use. You can start a design from scratch using our web design app, or simply load an existing design from the online library. Choose the color and material to suit you and press Knit. Just make a few finishing touches and your design is ready to wear. The process of making a garment has never been so easy. Knit in plenty of different colors. We'll provide you with the right parameters for each of our yarns, which will allow you to cut time on sampling and focus on the fun parts, designing and wearing garments. Kniterate, you can make garments exactly to your needs, right in your neighborhood, so they don't have to be shipped halfway across the world. Kniterate is not limited to standard yarns, so you can bring your projects to life. With Kniterate, your creativity has no limits.
Finally, we developed the 3D printer that will make our dreams come true. In 3D printers automation, the biggest obstacle was frequent failures in printing out. 70% of failures in printing is caused from unstable settlement of the first layer. So in order to solve this issue, we created SL probe sensors, and mesh leveling technique utilized from this sensor enables the perfect printout on the first layer by sensing the smallest curves of the bed. Also, as you put completed figures under the water and wait for a while, you will achieve figures that are just expecting no matter any figures. What will happen if small productions are possible in a room or an office? Perhaps it will make huge innovations in manufacturing industry. We will need your help for our challenges. Thank you.
Wazer works by combining abrasive particles with a high-pressure water stream. The mixture exits the nozzle and cuts through the workpiece.
The future of manufacturing is in custom local fabrication. People will be able to make things in their own workshop that they can use every single day and will last a lifetime.
We've created a unique desktop tool, and we're really looking forward to all the amazing things that people create with it.